Hi, Jonathan is here, and the Jonathan, the ILW099 is here. The unboxing of a big Windup. So this is the post. This is a parcel. I suppose to order like when was it when did I exactly order? Like 8th, right? 8th, and I wait for 2 weeks for 2 weeks for them to ship it to me, and it takes about a week to come, about 4 days to week to come here, for this week to come here. So it's a bit of late, I guess, because I want free shipping. So anyway, so let's get started. So I already opened this up. Yes, and this is the it costs about $29, which is, some people may say it's too expensive, but you gotta understand, because I bought this about 25 to 26, and this one's supposed to cost like 100 if you buy the part 1 and part 2 combined, and it has a discount and right stuff, and even that price is about 50, 51, something like that. So I think it's okay to me, I suppose. So and the this is the one, and yeah, this is the I ordered it from Chapters. Not that many people order from Chapters, but okay, whatever. So yeah, it's supposed to say 29 or something, but whatever. Okay, so it's the return. Yeah, once you opened it, you cannot return it because due to the copyright reason, as far as I understand. So okay, so this is the one. First cover here. Oh, interesting. This one and this one. So all right. We'll see. Oh. Start with this way. This way. Ooh. This is really slick. So I got this. The animate source. The thing you get. Oh wow, that's a lot, I guess. I'm waiting on another one, but not those, obviously. Yeah, the source every time you get, every time you buy a Funimation DVD, you have this. So here we go. Love this right here, and the next one. Fill me out. Reply card. Yes, reply card. Okay, next one. So this is the disc 1. This is 2. This 3. And this 4. It's really nice. It's not really nice design, like first base, second base, third base, home base. Huh. Yeah. Depends on the this disc quality. I may buy more or not, because I heard the Funimation disc is quite bad due to the intense condensing of the episode in one disc. So, and this is the back cover. Or this way. How do you see? This way. Okay. this would work. There's the back right here. I never thought I'm gonna buy this one, but this is really cheaper than it's really cheap to have the whole series, basically 29 bucks of 30 bucks, I guess. So I guess it's okay. Anyways, I will record it more about the inside stuff, like per episode thing. Then I'll come back later. So that's it. So this is the unboxing of the big Windup complete series S.A.V.E. edition. So, well, see you soon.